Welcome back. In the course, after you install Corel software, you will find the icon here. You can see here on my desktop Corel X7. So just you have to click this icon to open Corel, and within few seconds its application will load and it will be opening on your computer. So first of all, we will take a look of the initial interface of Corel, I mean the appearance of Corel, so we can understand uh, which are the sections for different kind of works we can do in Corel. So this is a heavy software, basically the Corel X7, the latest version. So it will take a few seconds, 5 to 10 seconds to load, and you will see this kind of screen when you open Corel X7. So basically I have to tell you the different sections and the initial interface of Corel. First of all, you will see these two options here. The first one is, to get start with Corel, so it is by default selected, and there are 4 options available to you here, from which you can select any option. For example, the first one is if you want to create a new document. The second one option is new from template. That's mean there are many templates in the Corel 7 software, so you can select any of the template using this option. And if you have opened any recent documents, which I have not of course, so you can open them using this option, which is now disabled. And open other, if you want to open any other any project that you have saved in your computer, so you can use this option to open that. And there are many more options here. You can see updates from Corel gallery. If you need help, you can click this option, so you will see all the help related articles and videos on the Corel. And what's new in this version of Corel X7, you can click this option, and you can go to corel.com to see all about Corel and membership in a subscription etc. So these are just normal options. You have nothing to do with them basically, but if you want, you can visit them. Anyways, first of all, you have to open a document in Corel in order to work. So we'll click this new document, and it will ask us, it will show us the setting for this new document. So you can actually give it a name if you want, or you can the destination folder you can set, the color destination. You can choose the size of this whole document that you are going to open. For example, there are different sizes like letter size, like envelope and A4 etc, many sizes. Or you can select your custom size for this document, the page that we are just opening. But I will keep it as that, because in this video I just want to tell you about, I just want to teach you about the interfaces. So I will click OK. So you will see this is the page that we have just created with new document, but we have not saved this. So this is basically the Corel interface you can see. But just you need to understand that there are 4 to 5 sections or areas you can work inside Corel X7. So I will tell you from the start. The first bar you can see, the white one, this is called title bar. So you see the Corel software name, and after that this its version name, and then the name of this document that we have just created. So it is by default untitled 1. We have not given any name, therefore when we will save this document, so we will give it a name. The second part here is the menu bar. Here you will find different menus. I will tell you some of the important menus in this course, so you can use all the options inside the menu bars. And this area is basically either called option bars or property bars, these two. But the most important section in Corel X7 is this section you can see over here. This is called Corel tools or tools box. So from here you can select any Corel tool to use here for your project or for your design. So we will discuss these tools. First of all, in the first section we will discuss all these tools, and after that we will move to to the menus, and in last we will simply create some projects and designs in Corel software. So this is the tool box, and here this is the main area where you will work. Basically this is the ground area where you have to work. This is the background and this is the actual pitch where you will create your designs in projects, and this area will only be printed because the rest of the area is just background for you. In this area here you will find colors, different colors in Corel software, so you can use them directly from here. This is the color picker area. In the bottom here you can create more pages and scroll. You can scroll down the page, you can scroll, use this horizontal option, and you can also create more pages here. You can see this is the one page. We can create, just you need to click this option, the plus option, so we will create many more pages. You can create many more pages. This is very easy thing here in Corel because you can work on multiple pages. So this is the simplest interface of Corel. This is not a very heavy software. This is this very simple software for creating graphics based on vectors. So we can use different tools, simple tools, very simple tools you will learn in this course. So we can draw lines and we can create unique logos, designs and things like that. So after taking the introduction of this whole interface of Corel that you see the software, so in next video we'll start straight from these options, and after completing these options we will go to menus.